Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen Purthimia Kemangalong Lak Isialong Le Patta ki Pija Puthak Land and Revenue Secretary Siim Taro Lamthe ke Paklar. West Karbi Anglong DC pen LAC Palong ni ke thak Armu la pen polling station aphai ke pangdak aputhak pherang ke mai ke pha. Nong nam ka chathang plong Garampani Wildlife Sanctuary non puthot alira lon ka sonse thu. Kardom pinya da berta long peneli sangpi marvelous strong parpi non arju ikha berta angton pen. Preni phai ko ra sirkebar ni Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Secretariat New Building meeting hall along non malom kahurisai Purthimia kemang pen Karbi Anglong Radaphan akejoy pen lagisi longle pata keron ponji aputhak Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council along Land and Revenue Kelangchari Secretary in charge Siim Taro pen lamthe ke paklang pon. Phirangkia mailong Siim Taro pen kaningje pon ke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen Karbi Anglong Radaphan akejoy pen ke chengsi apharman lagisi longle pata ron pon po. Pangso phi puthot lagisi ron pon thupo. Pangrumpet pen lakhini longle pata ron pon po. Ino da mena phan chiri pho ansi council pen pathik ponchot lapen longlia dang theu tumate chiri pho pen abat longle pata selamji pulote tangka chipi dunang chipusi ningje pong longlia pata radari deng lelote ason government scheme chudeng dunlong po lapen council atum sitame revenue longpo bangso longlia pata laki Karbi Anglong along kedo khaibari mate indigenous tribe atuma phansi pipon choji Karbi pijong si banga khai pen chepa chor chepa rup do kok pulote hala bangso Karbi pike longle ke longje chokong avilupu isi amai long ka cheparai tang atengsi klempon lo 1952 land revenue la pen 1959 land transfer aron egg rules atengsi klembom lo puta lamthe paklar po longle pata keron ponjiar ni ke pangdak pon atengki ke wangji phaikuni ni phai kep arni amri LAC apartment bai thalangso serdhuna klam alongsi ron pon po Phaikuni ni phai kreisi arni rongkhang LAC apartment dong kamukam stadium dong kamukam alongsi ron ponpo Phaikuni ni phai inkoira pho arni Hauraghat LAC apartment dokmoka higher secondary school pathuak klam alongsi ron ponpo Phaikuni ni phai inkoira trok arni bokajan LAC apartment japra langso cultural complex alongsi ron ponpo lapen Phaikuni ni phai inkoira troksi arni ke dipu LAC angkang apartment taralangso President Phil alongsi Radaphan akejoy pen long lipata ron pon popusi Secretary Taro Sangho Phirangkia Mailong pangdak pon.
The Council Land Review Department pen pining 2024 nitumisi kemang pondo rada tumaphan pata keron jipu lake 1 lakh la pen anso se non mat ke 1 lakh pulo first phase ta second phase pen pen tum lakh ni an pata ronji ni tumhan council authority atum hukum nang pila puhalo jaya 1 lakh apataro nang po first phase second phase or 1 lakh in total ke 2 lakhs lo lake tumi pini akam kali aprang daron bom lo 2013 alon pen cheng si chu 2023-24 anta prai lakh ni so se bang atam do lage nili period kali nili geningkan siwat langli joint secretary Mr. Pensing Rongpi alangli ta lakni bak sosichot pataron lo lase pining pon ke manga bang la puhalo niritum keron ponji la keritum dak indigenous inglong asotum apansi tum ron ponji ke dobarim aku pen ke dotum atum situm ron ponji la pen elitum free of cost tangta khorcha nangilo radatum chiri phoan ke litum free lo lake pen ko mani yong si longle plang thiu tum do chiri pho tak atam du chet polo tangte nilitum hala bange hoitu alang tum ke kaman bange chipinang kop po sitame chiri phoan ke lake pinang lo pen nilitum la bangso pata keron pen isi government phanta lido barat phanta lido athimai litum yong si pata vedat potangte rada tum kopini loan cheni pustame longle mortgage athai vedat po nolom ke loan ke anta mortgage nang ko lasi longle ke duwik nei tapi aku Central scheme mokha pata we pelong te ritum awas aja long le jeneba non hidido pustame sok tame jonglong ret po pata we tumke atima pata doing ni registration ta kuridu nai ji la pension taxi nitum PM Kisan pudo agriculture pen dakta central pen poisa farmers tumpan kerondo kata longli philang du nai siri tum lanon authority tum hukum nang ke toike ni tumpan lak ni apataro nai pusi ni tumpan hukum nang tolo la si
Pirangkia Mailong Joint Secretary Tensing Rongpi ARO Pinchongkro Executive Engineer Mijikro Atum Chetongdo. News Report Karbi Anglong Live. West Karbi Anglong Arlo Amri Lapen Rongkhang STLAC Pangrumpet Armu Lapen Polling Station Aphai ke Pangdak. Integrated Draft Electoral Roll ke Choklim Angthek Surihini ra Inkoi ra Phonikan Arkoya Chiklo ni Phai ECR ni Pangdak po. West Karbi Anglong Kaparlo Kadok Kave Surike Thomra Thom Kebra Pho Square Kilometer Angkang Kethipik Ajok Legislative Assembly Constituency Hini Thakponlo. Chitini Phaing Koira Sirke Barni West Karbi Anglong District Commissioner Asai Hemalong DC Saranga Pani Sharma ACS Mai Chipahem Phupon along West Karbi Anglong District Election Officer Sami Arnika Lekthipi Lakhaing Koi Baithalang Su STLAC MLA Rup Singh Teronan Parta Dongkamuka Municipal Board Ward Commissioner Serlongki Bay Chetonglut. Labang so Mai Long West Karbi Anglong DC SP Sarma Pen Pirangki Angno LA Constituency Hini ke Thak Lapen Polling Station Aputhak ke Pangdak Pon ke Lakha Pharoi Sira isi Rongkhang STLAC ke Parlo Kadok Kave 1,29,858 Armu Aphai Klang. La Solong Pinso 65,414 Arloso 64,444 Aphai Longpon. La Pen Pharoi Sira Troknar ke Polling Station Aphai Piklang. Halapu Lakha Pharoi Sira Krihini Amri STLAC Longkadokove 9,78,304 Armu Aphai Longpon. Pinso 48,984 Lapen Arloso 48,850 Aphai Longpon. La Solong Kadokave 157 polling station non-amat Aphai Klangpon. LA Constituency Hini Pen Kadokave Armu Aphai 2,27,692 Aphai Pen polling station Kadokave 337 Aphai West Karbi Anglong DC Saranga Pani Sharma Pen Pirangki Angno Lampe Jaipong.
During draft publication, that is on 29th 10/2024, that is 29th October, that is today, 29th October. Total electors for Rongkhang LSC is 1,29,858. 1,29,858, 111 Rongkhang today, and against 112 Amri, we are having electors of 97,834, 97,834, and for both the LSCs we are having total electors, that is 2,27,692. 2,27,692, that is total voter. That is Lok Sabha elections. Rongkhang, that was having 172 polling stations, but right now, today, we are having against Rongkhang 180 numbers of polling stations. And for Amri, 112 Amri, during last Lok Sabha election, this 2024, we are having polling stations 140, but today it is 157. So after draft publication, we are having more polling station right now. Earlier, total polling station was 312, but right now we are having 337. Almost 25 new polling stations have been there right now after draft publication. So that is all details of that publication as on 29/10/2024. At the same time, whosoever is there in the new elected in the coming days, run up to the next elections, that is 2026 assembly elections, there is a provision that they can enroll their name as electors, new electors. Whosoever is going to be competing more than 18 years, they are automatically getting enrollment as new voters. So new voters concept is always there, and we are going to have summary divisions even before the coming elections at the same time. Like this, September, October also we are going to have summary division. In between we are also in a process with BLOs to just give the new voters form number 6 so that they can be enrolled. They can be enrolled and they can franchise their vote, they can cast their vote as new electors. So that is the provision as per the norms right now, and we are having the ERO with us, ERO electoral registration officer, and since the election officer here is the electoral registration officer, automatically we can approve those names whosoever comes with those form 6. So nobody will be left out in the process. We will be trying our level best to include whosoever attains during the coming session of summary division, as well as some last minute sort of additional list at the same time, whosoever attains even 2026 and whosoever attains by January the 18 years of age, we are also going to enroll those new voters as electors under these 2 consequences.
Preni phai ko rasir kebarni electoral roll kapang daga khut LA constituency hini pen pinso phai kaduk kawe 1,14,398 la pen sorlo phai kaduk kawe 1,13,294 phai pen kaduk kawe pangrum pet pen 2,27,692 phai longpon. Lapuan armo apai ki ongalong West Karbi Anglong district MP Hamren rong supiang kang akrong 10 October mesen exit kabinet ki manghumimi. Laso putak tong sekot pen towar mesen ki pi anparta mesen ki jonalang ki piji aphan Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council kachariatum RD ki piji aphan MLA Rupsing Teron angno lamthi kachimi. Hamren pen Daniel hi Karbi Anglong live. Kedamtang 1952 aning kansi Assam State pen abarim nai wildlife sanctuary abangke sarkar hin pen Karbi Anglong district la pen Golaghat district ahoy kedu Garampani wildlife sanctuary abangke recognize ponlo. Labangso Garampani wildlife sanctuary long penangan marat mareng api pendang lok isi abangke langkar omate spring hot water ajoini si nongnam kache thangklong la pen army atuben kaslam pon by liberation parta labangso ingnam pia jo hakko thing pi thengprang nang ki onga joksi arnia turanta phan troknar kep ansi atur lecho. Labangso Garampani wildlife sanctuary along Jasemet la Deopani mandir along north east angkang along pen penang an kijoi kelang aphan la pen arnam nang char dom aphan kibang abang phubang phiat tum pensi Garampani wildlife sanctuary along stame humri tikangkang laben parks tame kangjang nang kawia phuthak penang an tourist atum akisung alamo do deda phi chukedam tang aningkan Karbi Anglong live channel a hin pen ground report pangdak deda phi Garampani wildlife sanctuary in charge a pen council authorities atum pen non puthot Garampani wildlife sanctuary along ticket system la pen kijui kelang adim la pen aliralon kasonse thekpon lo
Kadam Karbi Anglong live kel arat tunduan pilini tum Karbi Anglong live team pen non mat ke nili tum ki doke Karbi Anglong pen nong nam ko che thang klong wildlife sanctuary puta pudet la pen lada ke Garampani wildlife sanctuary puta pudet lo la pen lada ke penangan ingkan dulu government hin sanctuary kaselam pon na pen lada bridge sitame chukidam tang penangan ingkan dulu district council long der apisi la bridge sitame selam pon lo la pen ladak bangke jasemet ingnaratum aboha mate ingnaratum khut puta pumela thema dak ingnar dopik apen kapek butek buso apen marang api dopik apen ladak kiju gelang adim tame dak Garampani lang karom puge che thang piklo ladak ke Assam pen punon northeast pen punon penangan atum dagwang ba lapen il tumke entrance gate lo dake tol gate ta dak sidolo lapen ladak alira lo no phan jani lempak lapo hoina Dia la pusong si alang tum plastic paint banedi pusong si alang tum selam lo lada ke asan marar ngapi sa selam lo si army tum si selam la maso base kami labang so barricade kami non selam lo phang e daging ko bang kami non bang barricade kami selam lo no mai gorom pani ke an so si adira lom pan color ki bit pen cheng lok non bang lang ni pik lo lasinal tum ta isui jang mai no lada
News report Karbi Anglong live. Preni phaing ko sirke barni ada por phai grace ya por ASDC asai hemalong pherang kia mai ini ponsi Karbi Anglong arlo lo ke charle hin kisung ke boy ka chetong nanga putha preni phaing ko ranar kep Dispura long ASDC asong pen education minister Ranoj Pegu aphan ka chetong dam pen kaching ki chet han dam puthak pherang kia mai long lamthe paklang po Pirang kia mai long ASCC amai phu Chandra Kanta tirang pen lamthe peklang pon ke Karbi Anglong arlo lo ke charli hin la puan ke prang dun pik ke kalilang athela dak institution le do pusita sarkar pen ki thir thek ke deng pon pu ke aphai jum heglang lan chota kali Karbi Anglong arlo lo ke thek la pen akam tu yang deng ke charli ari suai jang atum aphai penangan do sitame sarkar horeng anghoi ke long le tum ke aphai lakha amasi uni Asila haya ki sumpen kacepa jogji aphan tu mangsi preni phai in kora nar kep arni Dispura hawara long an ASCC asongpen humri damsi education minister Ranoj Pegu aphan chitong damsi chiki chithan dam lapen kechunun ria lo tame pipajer dam Pirang kia mai long lam thike paklang pon ke Karbi Anglong along ke dotang B.Ed college tame non ke ingha pon cheglo Tasi prabjin pen B.Ed college ingpu tu si sarkar pen provincial deng ponang tu Laan chota kalisi Rangsina College, Daithor College sa pen Karbi Anglong arlo ke do Army College, Sarkar pen kideng pon pelang antame provincial deng ponang puputa pachini. Nasong tak si Paroi Sira Tikebra si High School ang bong pen, Long Thom Kep School of Han Panong si Sarkar pen deng ponang po. Lapen ME School Trok Narkebra Narkebang bong pen, Hom Kebra po an ke pining suri hingi ra ingkoy rapiang bong Sarkar pen deng ponbek nang pupusi. Kecuning ria lolong jongdun puta kacini. Pen halapu goreng awarsa hin anatame phan ho reservation ang bong pen 6 schedule ahavar along ke phan trok sirkep an iponangji puta jongdun puta kacini thu. Hirangkia mailong abari misi yan Johnson be ASCC Youth Front KNCA KSA klen bangatum chatongdu.
Nona panganili tum on education ho chami. Ada ni tum teglong lo party himpen song himpen ni tum thadam lo loga chali mate education hemlo human resource development assoc norm ati ti nam lo mela pulo শিক্ষাই হৈছে সমাজৰ মানৱ বিকাশৰ এটা মূল আধাৰ যিটো লাষ্টপেনি লিটু মাথাদাম দাম পাইছি নাম পাঞ্চিং আছে লিটু Assam law, itu bom non education minister. Wanita menimpun ke dampak 10 July 2024 and kami itu participant dalam kilo lakukan. Ada kita menimpun dakar yang long along semet. Tapi education peluang ke lawan ke concurrent list jadi constitutional. Dari central government polisi itu lakukan. State government of policy itu lahan pas namanya 26 and ikan MOU along kita me lalu concurrent list kita me ini itu lahan transport subject tapi no otomatis council transport
News report Karbi Anglong live. Tani pinya da berta bangkila ponsi kang toniglo domit hakmi kardom.